This is the video for Road Atlanta. Finally been waiting to do this. This is the second time I've been to Road Atlanta, and this is the first time that I finally got to get some good footage, and also just some good times, new homies, new friends, everything about it. Stay tuned while you watch me also struggle to get these little tiny bolts off so I can adjust these clip holders. Let's get it. So the main thing I kind of want to talk about a little bit is just, again, about this track as it is. Like, the elevation at Road Atlanta is amazing. The S is one of my favorite corners. The top of the hill after coming out of 10B is just an amazing experience to have. Coming from the sim racing world and seeing this track on the sim all the time is really what made me fall in love with it. And then also going and experiencing the Petite Le Mans, I was like, I need to get my bike out here. So, of course, I made it happen. So, that being the case, this is my second time at Road A. I can't wait to tell you guys about the conversation I had with a coach. I ran novice because this is what precision track day is, and I haven't got my B group bump yet. So, yeah, I ran novice and found out, sorry, the lock-in was crazy, right? Found out that I did pretty good. Okay, so just checking that. But that's what we're gonna do is get into some footage of a raw lap. That's gonna be the first clip we do. A raw lap of my time at Road Atlanta. A thing that I kind of want to do is also capture when coaches talk to me and when I ask questions of coaches, so that can help others as well. So it's kind of like me going through it so you can learn from it as well. And hopefully someone takes something from it. I think that'll be really cool to share my experience in that regard. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get it into Road Atlanta, baby. Okay, yeah, now we're gonna get into this raw lap. This was one of my favorite corners too, not gonna lie. Coming off the front straight into turn one, that uphill right is just, it feels really great when you're locked in. And then coming up to the bus stop, getting it close. Pay attention to how I go through here, because this is one of the things the coach mentioned to work on a little bit. I ran a little wide on the exit there, and it slowed me down from being able to actually get on throttle when I wanted to. The S is iconic. Push up the hill to the outside. Power, power, power. Love it. And now into T6. 6 and 7 was kind of tricky for me too. That's another thing I asked a coach about on how I should be negotiating it. So there we go. Kind of missed that apex. But here we go. The long back straight. On the 600, this takes a little bit of time. I'm not gonna lie. Couldn't keep my chest down. If you look through the kink too, I have roll off the throttle. That's one thing that I didn't realize I was doing until looking at the footage in hindsight. And that was one thing I want to go back and work on, honestly. Just staying in throttle. Up the hill, over the bridge. Down, down, down. Here we go. Over the line. Bam. Okay, on this lap, this is where I was following the coach. So the footage before this is when he kind of passed me and signaled to tap his tail and follow him, but I didn't get that clip properly when I cut this stuff, so that's why there's a bike in front of us. But I was watching him closely, a little ways up the way, so And we also got a couple more laps in together as well. So this was just one of the ones I captured. So the conversation you'll see up next when we talk is not in reference to just this clip, but multiple clips that I just didn't get. So don't be mad at editor AJ. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit back and let y'all watch this one. He was also on a 660. Okay, and as you can see, this is where he waves me on by. Like I said, I didn't get the clip of when he was following me because I definitely did these clips like 3 weeks ago, and I don't feel like going back. So, yeah, this next few clips that you guys are gonna see are gonna be our conversation we had after this session, and then the final clip is really gonna be my fastest lap and seeing what I did different after talking to Coach Danny. He was a really cool dude, really helped me out and spotted me, took me under his wing for a couple sessions, so really dope.
Did you notice I was on the same bike as you?
Oh no, I didn't.
So we kept coming out of 7 together, and then we'd just be like neck and neck because I noticed we were on the same bike. So I was like, okay, because I was following you for like 2 laps and you're looking really good. But there was a couple places where I knew you could be faster because I was on the same bike.
Through the bus stop or the quick left,
The quick little things, yeah.
Can you explain that? How did you take that? Cause that's where, like, on the exit of that, that's where I feel like I lose a lot of
You do.
a time, because I'm either not on it or I can't get on it soon enough, and then that's when the gap gets full.
So how I kind of take it is maintenance throttle. I'm not really accelerating or decelerating, but I'm like on the gas to like maintain.
But you're not coasting there at all. It's just
I'm literally just doing this on my bike. Like,
yeah, okay.
but like I'm not getting my butt off, but I'm literally just with my legs and my arms, just like flicking it.
This, yeah, okay.
Maintenance throttle. Instead of like doing any of that, just try and like,
Just throw it.
yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. I'm gonna try that. But no, thanks for that. I really appreciate that. And then also, since these are the same bikes, when you do 6 and 7, are you going through like 3rd into 6, and then going wide and then downshifting?
So I take them both in 2nd.
Oh, okay. So you
Yeah.
just get it all done early and then just go through. Okay.
For 6, I'm at the top of 2.
Okay.
But the bike is still settled and calm.
Yeah.
And then as I'm turning in, I'm scrubbing some more speed.
Okay.
And then as I'm apexing, I'm rolling on real hard to drive into 7.
Okay. That's
Cool. But yeah, you were looking real good out there.
appreciate it, man. What was your name?
Danny.
Danny? AJ.
AJ?
AJ.
AJ.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, and now this is my fastest lap. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and just let you guys watch. So these are just some extra clips I had from the day. Peep this Ducati. He should have just blew my doors off right there, if I'm being completely honest. But going into 6, chasing down, I think this was an R7, I think I got him on the exit here though. Yeah, I think he ran a little wide. Took advantage of that. And kept it pushing, and here comes Mr. Duck. Just blowing my doors off. But wait, there's more. My boy Amir. Now, the next clip here, this was just a couple passes in the 10A, so this is coming down the back straight, out of 7, just holding. I think on a smaller bike like the 660 parallel twin, like on bigger tracks like this, hopefully I get close enough to pass in the braking zones, obviously. So as you can see here, those 2 bikes into 10A. I was a little nervous on that second pass and the third one, but it was before the tip ends and it was smooth. So still a little sketchy. You can see my boy Jermaine right there in the background. And then this clip was really funny, just because this is Amir on that S1000, the one who just passed me after the Ducati. Going in turn 1, he's kind of held up behind some traffic, and I was like, you know what? This might be the only chance I get to pass him. So I just took him on the inside going into the bus stop and everything. But as soon as we get out the S's, just doors blown. But it was really funny. I just thought I'd take that just so I can tell him I passed him on a 660. But yeah, other than that, this was just another great day. Another great day with the homies. Great day meeting new homies and everything. So here we go. We passed that Ninja 300 and then, or R3, whatever it was, and then just look at him. Right next to me though, which was really cool. So yeah. Okay. And that is my time at Road Atlanta. I really appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. Like I said, this was a really fun track day. But my favorite thing about it was the new homies I met and the experience I had out there on track. So again, thanks for watching. Tune in for the next one. We're gonna be at Tally. So little Talladega. Got some mild footage. It's gonna be a shorter video. It's not gonna be too crazy. And yeah, I actually set a PB at Tally, so that's gonna be a really fun video to cover. And of course, the PB I set, didn't record it. All I had was my race box. So if you believe me, you don't have to. And if you do, thanks for believing in me, I guess. But who knows? But yeah, once again, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for tuning in, and tune in next time. Peace.